Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at articles in English. Now they can be a little bit confusing, so we're going to give you a brief explanation of what they are and how you can use them correctly. So first of all, what are articles? Well, there are two types of articles. We have the definite article and the indefinite article. The is a definite article, and the indefinite articles are a and an. Now we place articles before a noun. So noun is a person, a place, or a thing, and the article will usually come before the noun to modify it. So in general terms, you would place an article, either a, an, or the, before a noun. So starting with the definite article, the. The is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. So, for example, you might say, okay, let's watch the movie. By saying the movie, I am referring to a specific movie. It's one that you have perhaps already been talking about. If you want to be less specific, you can use the indefinite article, a movie. So you could say, let's watch a movie. So this would mean that you haven't yet decided on which movie to watch. You want to watch a movie, but you don't know which one. Okay, let's look at another example. Now, I absolutely love reading books. So I might say, let's read a book together. Because I am using the indefinite article a, you can tell that I am suggesting that we read together, but I am not talking about a specific book. If I use, however, the definite article, the, let's read the book together, then that would mean that I was talking about a specific book that we had already referenced. Now let's look at an example sentence. I am going to see an elephant at the zoo. So I'm using the indefinite article, an elephant, because there are probably several elephants at the zoo. I don't know which specific elephants I will see. I'm not going to see a specific one, but I want to see an elephant. I did, however, use the definite article for the zoo, because usually in a city there would only be one zoo. So while there are many zoos in the country, I am most likely talking about the one zoo that is closest to us. I am going to the zoo. Now, how do you know when to use a or when to use an? Well, it all depends on the next word that will be used. So let's look at some examples. So first of all, we have a plus singular noun beginning with a consonant. So if there is a singular noun, like cat, it begins with a consonant, a C, so we use the article a. A cat. A cat. A girl. A car. Each of these are singular nouns that begin with consonants, so we use the indefinite article a. Of course, you could use the definite article the if you are talking about a specific one. So if you are talking about a specific cat, you would say the cat. But here we are just looking at indefinite articles, so a cat, a girl. Now, when do we use an? Well, we use an if we are looking at a singular noun beginning with a vowel. So, an egg, an octopus, an apple. So these are nouns, singular nouns, that begin with a vowel, an egg. So we use the indefinite article an instead of a. So if it is a consonant sound for the noun, then we use a. If it is a vowel sound, we use an. But of course there are exceptions to the rules. So you'll notice that I said it starts with a vowel sound, not just that it starts with a vowel. There are some words that start with a vowel, but they do not have a vowel sound at the beginning. So for example, let's consider the word university. University begins with a vowel, U. So you might think that you would need to use the indefinite article an with it, an university. But this is not right. University sounds like university, and that starts with a Y sound, university. So we don't spell it that way, but that is how it is pronounced. So we would use the article a with this word, a university. The same is true for words that start with a consonant but have a vowel sound. So for example, in the word hour, the H is silent. So we pronounce it hour, which starts with a vowel sound. So in this case, we would not say lunch will start in an hour. Rather, we would use an. Lunch will start in an hour. So this was just a quick overview of articles in English. I hope this will help you to understand them a little bit better. Many students struggle with articles, when to use them and how to use them. So make sure you spend time learning these points of grammar really well. If you can use articles correctly in your everyday speech, you will sound a lot more fluent. So that's it from me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.